Welcome to Baloch Scholarship Corner. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel and click bell icon button to get more information regarding scholarship, internship and much more. Welcome to another information regarding University of Bologna Scholarship 2021 in Italy, fully funded. Application are now open. University of Bologna Scholarship 2021 are now open for international students. Before going to detail, I will provide this link in the video description and also provide the official link in the video description. You can get it from there. How to apply I will tell you. University of Bologna Scholarship 2021 details. Host country is Italy. University is the University of Bologna. Field offer multi. Scholarship type is fully funded. The deadline of this scholarship 30 April 2021 for bachelor scholarship. Deadline for 31st March 2021 for master scholarship. Duration of the scholarship. The duration for the bachelor program is 4 years. The duration for the master program is 1 to 2 years. Scholarship benefit. University of Bologna scholarship in Italy is fully funded and will cover almost all expenses. Fully tuition fee also provide you 11,000 euro yearly allowance. For bachelor degree list are mentioned here. You can choose your own interested field: education, sociology, science, statistics, humanities, law, medicine. All these fields are mentioned for bachelor. For master degree field are also mentioned here. You can check it out here. Science, statistics, sport. You can choose your related and interested field. Apply for this scholarship. Combined bachelor and master, these are the field. Some field both are combined. You can choose for your master field and bachelor field. Eligibility criteria. For a student of any nationality are eligible to apply for this scholarship. Applicant age must not be execute more than 30 years. Applicant must have cleared the SAT or GRE test before applying for this scholarship. It means you must clear SAT or GRE. These are the two kind of international English test you must clear before applying for this scholarship. Both male female candidate can apply for this scholarship. The deadline, I told you before, the deadline of this scholarship for bachelor 30 April 2021 and for master 31st March 2021. How to apply for this scholarship? This is the official link, green button. You can click here, visit the official link. Let's check it out here. First click here. This is the official website of the Italy scholarship. You can check it out here and read it out. All the requirements are mentioned here. You can check it out and read it out. And the method is apply online. You can create a portal and apply for this scholarship. This is you can see top of this website, my portal, my email. You can create a portal, my portal. You can visit there and you can upload your all documents which are required for this scholarship and finally submit it, and you will have opportunity to apply for this scholarship. Thank you for watching. I hope it will help you, and please do subscribe this channel and click bell icon button to get latest update regarding any other scholarship.